Hey, I'm Frankie and I am a nomad. Welcome to the Joy Route channel. It just means Joy Route simply means live your best life as best you can. I am a nomad embracing this fall season. I love the fall season. As a nomad, it's just that time of year, not only if you're a nomad, but whoever you are out there, that fall brings thoughts of changes in your mind. Fall is such a beautiful season. I like being outside in the fall. I love van camping in the fall. It's a great time to be in your if you're a van lifer or a nomad who does mostly like RV or van life, it's a great time to travel and to be in your vehicle. So, for those who are new to this channel, welcome. Let me kind of give you my backstory really fast before I get into the topic of nomad embracing change. Okay, so I started out at the age of 50 and I decided to move into my van life, and enjoyed it. I would say the most part I have enjoyed van life. And then I realized one day though that, well, I didn't realize one day, but I will say that no one van lifestyle fits all. And so at some point I began to realize that I'm a van lifer, but I'm more so a nomad just because of the type of lifestyle I live. For instance, this is my beautiful winter room, and I will give you a tour. Not a tour, but I'll show you a few things in here. And so but it's funny, I call this my winter room, but my goal is to never be here in the winter more than a few weeks because I do not like cold weather. And so my plan this year, I just got a text. My plan this year was, so I arrived back here December of 2023, and my plan for this year 2024 was to be gone from my rental room before November of 2024. We're in October and I'm going to be leaving about a month early because I was going to leave my winter room about mid-November, but I have decided to leave my winter room um, mid-October, right? And the decision is based on something that has happened. And I'm going to share what that is. The way I think things out is by doing something creative. So if I'm not like writing, which is my go-to number one creative thing to do, I'll do something else. And walking, you might not consider that necessarily a creative activity, but it is for me because, and a lot of people, because I'm thinking as I'm walking. But I also make something or create something. So I've been wanting some chili. And so I decided to make some chili. But I got to tell you my chili story first. I went to the store and I bought hamburger and I bought like spaghetti for the chili. Because I put spaghetti in my chili. And the hamburger I bought, it turned brown like that day, it seemed like. So it's like they colored the meat, and that's all gross because we're not going to get off into that topic. And then the spaghetti that I bought, and I cannot make this up, I am going to either put it up here or put it at the end of this video. I opened it up and it had, and I checked the dates, and it had like these little bugs in it. So that store, I cannot believe. So the hamburger went bad really fast, and the angel hair spaghetti that I was going to use for the chili had these little bugs in it, so I had to improvise. And I like all different types of chili. On this channel, there is a video where I crashed a chili cookout. I swear I'm going to link to it, or I'll put it up here, or I'll link to it in the description. So I love chili. But so there's a video where I crashed the chili thing or whatever. And so I decided to make some chili. These are my last few days here at my winter room. And so I want to do some things that I won't be able to do with my next move. Or not completely. Because what my goal has been is to get I used to say a box truck, and the only thing with the box truck is the windows, but I know that I'm definitely getting a different van. And the steps that I've taken to getting a different van is that I've saved some. And also, I own my vehicle, Limo, which you can go throughout this channel and learn more about my van, Limo. And so I think I get a couple of $1,000s from it. And I know I can. So that's the thing. But I haven't picked out a video yet. I mean, not a video, a van, because life been lifing. So I'm going to share me making a chili. And as I share me making the chili, the fall chili for fall season, I love this time of year. I am going to explain why I'm leaving the winter room a month early. And I hope that in explaining my situation, some of you all get clarity, because this is a season of change. Every time there's a new season, sometimes daily, there's a reason for change. And sometimes decisions are easy to make and sometimes they are not. So come along as I make this chili that I had to improvise and use pasta instead of spaghetti noodles and steak and bacon instead of hamburger or turkey meat. And come along, and then also at the end in the comments, help me understand if I'm making the right decision, or give me your thoughts on my upcoming change. I would appreciate it. Thank you, and let's go make some chili. Let me do my disclaimer as I share my situation while showing myself cooking chili. First, we have cutting boards and all the proper things needed to cook chili. It's a lot of stuff to pull out, and I wasn't doing it. Cooking takes 2 hours of your life and longer if you don't prep. And I didn't prep. I don't consider myself a cook, but I can cook. And when you really think about it, the test if you can cook is, do you enjoy your own food? And yes, I enjoy my own food, but not only do I enjoy it, others enjoy it. My beautiful winter room is in a house that is over 100 years old. Since I've been a nomad, this is one of the places I stay. I stay here, I pay rent, I have a beautiful room, and I have freedom to roam the house and use the community spaces. Why am I moving? I'm moving from my winter room because my car was recently hit. It was a scooter hit. So let me explain. Every time I visit this street, this is a very small street. It's so small that cars, when you are passing, one car has to let the other car go. And so cars sometimes fly down the street, and they will hit your car and keep going. Several people, including people from my family's car, have been hit. So with this car, and this is the brown meat, y'all. Now, this is the reason why I'm making steak chili. If I can stop talking about the car being hit and talk about why I'm making chili. In this angel hair chili, in this pasta, there was these little bugs, like these little moving like nets or something. And in the hamburger, as you can see, the hamburger was brown. Getting back to why I am moving. My car has been hit on the street, not once, not twice, but 3 times. Not only has my car been hit, but my family member's car have been hit, and other people's car have been hit. It has been damaged. The most recent hit, which happened the day after Labor Day, an adult was riding a motorized scooter. It's interesting because my friend Fia, that Boondockin' Diva, has a motorized adult scooter. And so the person hit my car with the scooter, flipped over it, and damaged my car. They damaged the hood. They damaged the side bumper. Not the side bumper, but the bumper, and they damaged the fender. So there are 3 hits on my car. So this is the 3rd hit of my car, and I'm sick of it. Nobody has cameras that's working. Nobody knows nothing, and I'm just sick of it. So I have complete insurance coverage, but we get into, is it worth it to fix the car, because I'm getting rid of it. I don't have a box truck or another vehicle, but I need to move on. Listen, in tomorrow's video, I'm making Halloween Jello with a twist, and I will continue this story. For now, sit back and watch me make this chili. So as you can see, I cut up steak. I added onions and green peppers, even a few jalapenos. I'm going to add some bacon. I already made the bacon in the oven. I'm just browning the ground beef. If only y'all could smell what I'm smelling. So good. It's getting there. It's getting there. I've never really cooked on the road. And this is what I'm going to miss about the nomadic lifestyle. Now, these pasta noodles aren't ideal for chili, but again, the pasta that I was going to use, the chili angel hair noodles, had these little bugs in it. This is the cup with the bacon. I have another round of bacon in the oven here. Coming up, you're going to see how absolutely delicious this chili looks. Looking good with my special sauce and seasoning. Looking good. Here's the final product, and I kid you not, absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. I put out a few of my fall things. Really good. Coming up is this cute house I saw while I was driving. I just thought these pumpkins were so unique and very cute. Listen, y'all, life is short. We don't really think it's short, but if we really thought it was short, we would do things differently. We would stop to look at pumpkins at somebody's house. So whatever you do and however you do it, always take the joy route. Come back tomorrow. I'm making another video. And I'm going to start showing some of the videos that I did with Fia and Danette. We were camping. Had such a wonderful time. Again, take the joy route. Please subscribe and like.